think my bitch last nigga. I ain't gonna lie. My bitch free. The way the bitch hit the dick, I should pay her. JM good.
That's a hot follow.
What's up, Rebel Babies? Y'all know what's going on. It's the one and only Thaaarebelchild, and I'm back with another beautiful unboxing video. But I'm on a cruise. This is a different this is a different atmosphere. So that's my little bed over there. But yes, y'all, I'm on a cruise. Let me go ahead and show y'all the water. Let me show y'all the little view that we got. Okay, hold on. So like I said, I'm in my room by myself. I'm the only person that was asleep. I was just so tired. I don't know. Maybe it's because the way the boat is rocking and how comfortable the bed is. So good. I'm on a Carnival, by the way. This is my first cruise, so everything is going great. But let's talk about this unboxing. We're going to be unboxing That's an Awful Lot of cough syrup. So I went down to the store, to their shop, Tuesday, either Monday or Tuesday. It's Friday, so the beginning of the week, Monday, Tuesday, one of them, and I had bought 2 outfits. So shout out to Awful Lot of cough syrup. And I talked to the manager, Alfonso. I hope that's his name. I hope I ain't saying it wrong, but he was so amazing. So shout out to him too. We're about to go ahead and try on these outfits because this is what I'm going to be wearing for today. So, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's go try on the outfit right now. Let's see how cute I'm looking. The boat is moving. Somebody is right here looking in my window. I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing. Anyway, so like I said, we went to Awful Lot of cough syrup and we got some stuff, so before we try it on, you already know I got to show y'all how everything look. Let me show y'all. So the first thing we got was these Awful Lot of cough syrup shorts. I can't tell you the price because I really don't remember how much these were, but they weren't cheap. I think they were like maybe like $50-$60. Here's what they look like. These were cute, and I got a size small. Sorry, I'm having a brain fart this morning. So while I was in the store, I was trying to get another outfit, but they just didn't have my size. Everybody decided they wanted to come in and take a small. I don't know why, but anyways. So I got this shirt to go with it too. So it's going to be cute. And mind y'all, it's cold as hell outside, but I still got to make do for what I need to do. So this is the outfit. Let's go ahead and put her on. Whew. Okay, Chad, this is how she looking like. I thought this was supposed to go in the back. I think I tried it out like that at the shop when I was putting the clothes on. I didn't know it goes this way. I feel like it's better behind me than in front of me. Oh, she kind of big.
Go man, right leg, go man, left leg, go man, right leg, go man, left leg, go man, right leg, go man, left leg.
I'm feeling this. I'm feeling her, and I like how I put it in the back. Because that's how I want it to go. I want it to go in the bag. So it seemed like it really don't matter which way I put her. Let me take stuff off. I don't really gotta... I mean, I can fix my edges, but I ain't gonna do it now. Desto Dev. Desto. You ate, hoe. Face down, 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 face down. So, this is gonna be a quick unboxing because I gotta go out with my family. I think they out eating or something. But, yeah, I gotta make this real cute. Simple short. I love it. I love her. I love you. That's no good. Okay. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next unboxing video. Bye, lovies.